guys, welcome back to another video. You may ask, why am I wearing these gloves? Well, let me show you. You think I'm legal anymore, buddy? Yeah, that's what I'm joking. It has orange tip. It's Airsoft. Yeah, I'm on Airsoft. So, this is I'm gonna show you my gun. So this is my gun. It is an AEG M4.
When you guys are ready, you can do it. All right.
So this is my mag. It's full metal. And this is my mask and outfit. So wish me good luck.